and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing my hair. So the night before I used the grapeseed and avocado oil to pre-poo my hair. I simply put it on my scalp and on my hair, and I put my hair in twists. So now we're gonna use the anti-jerky in control conditioner to put it on my hair as my other method of pre-pooing my hair. So now I'm gonna quickly detangle and unplait my twist from last night, and I'm gonna put the conditioner on my hair as I do so. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't. This is how my hair is looking. It looks a bit dirty, but we're gonna fix that in this video. I'm still detangling my hair, and I'm just appreciating my growth because I had braids for about 2 months, so my growth is really nice to see. I'm over here standing on myself. Okay, girl with the curly hair. Okay, so now I'm going to put my hair back in twist, so it's easier for me when I'm gonna rinse off the conditioner before I put on shampoo on my hair to clean my scalp. So I'm quickly going to wash my hair and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back now. I look a bit rusty, but it's okay. Now I'm quickly putting on shampoo on my hair. Yeah, this was not the fun part. I don't know if I have tiny hands or the bottle has a problem. So I'm massaging the shampoo on my scalp as I go from the roots to the top, because really the only thing you want to clean here is my roots. The hair will get clean anyways, but the most important part here is the roots, of course, because yeah, I had braids and my hair was dirty and there was a lot of product build up on my hair, so I'm taking care of that as we speak. And then I like putting my hair in twists, if you guys were wondering, because I have a head full of hair and it's sometimes hard for me to work on my hair as just is, because I can't get some parts of my hair. So I prefer putting my hair in twists, so it's easier for me to work on my hair. I am still massaging the shampoo on my scalp. Yeah, this is also a good way when your hair is dirty, and it also saves you shampoo, because you know that you are putting it on your hair and you're getting it where you want it to go without wasting it in your shower or in water. So I would recommend you guys to try this method instead of putting your shampoo on in the shower, because this made it easy for me. I simply rinsed the thing off because I was massaging my scalp, and that contributed to me cleaning my scalp. We can see the curl pattern popping, the shrinkage going, but it's okay because we like seeing the curls, honey. So now I'm done rinsing off the shampoo, and this is how my hair is looking. It looks clean. You guys can see that my hair is clean. So I'm gonna go in again with the anti-jerky conditioner again. I'm putting my hair in sections, then I'm gonna go in again with anti-jerky's conditioner again, and yeah, this is how my hair is looking now. I'm still putting on conditioner on my hair, and then I still go in with twists because at this point we can see that I love twisting my hair. Also, if you guys have any ideas that you guys think, any products you guys, natural hair products you guys think I should try, leave them in the comment section below, then I'll surely give you guys a video on that. And so I'm putting on my conditioner. You put your conditioner from the roots to the top. So this is how my hair is looking. I'm gonna put on a plastic and I'm gonna wait it out for like 20-30 minutes, and I'll come back to you guys after I have waited it out on my hair, and then you're gonna rinse it off afterwards. I'm gonna wait for a good 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. You can wait 15 minutes, but I just like waiting longer. So I'm back now, and my hair is feeling soft and nice and moisturized. It feels amazing. My scalp is clean. We are good, sis. So I'm gonna go in with the TCB cocoa butter moisturizer on my hair. I'm gonna put a lot of it, and it's gonna leave some white residue on my hair, which I think is okay, because then it will later evaporate or whatever it does, but it won't be like that for a long time. My hair by now is almost 50% dry, so yeah, after I washed it, now it's almost dry, and I'm still putting the product on my hair. And after that I'm gonna go in with the AFROBOTANICS. Oh, say hi to my mom in the comment section below. I'm gonna put in the AFROBOTANICS Scalp Activator. This was inspired by y'all's channel, and I thought I should try it out for you guys and for myself. Yeah, this is how my hair is looking. It's a bit wet, so yeah, now you can see the curls coming. My curls are popping, and so this is how now my hair is looking after I waited a bit out. It has dried out a bit, and you can still see the curls and shrinkage. I'm also now I am putting on what do you say in English? It's a tie, but I use it for my hair because why not? And this is how my hair is looking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have made it this far, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video. I'm going in with my gel, but this was not really an important step because I'm not going anyway, so I did not take effort to doing my edges, but you can still that I have edges. Ew. So this is how my hair is looking. I am happy with the outcome overall, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Do you want to know?